Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your living space or just someone with a keen eye for cutting-edge technology, you're in for a treat. Because today, we are going to reveal 15 absolute game-changing inventions designed to revolutionize the very top of your abode. That's right, we're talking about the roof. From solar-powered wonders to futuristic roofing materials, we've scoured the globe to bring you the coolest and most ingenious inventions for the crown of your castle. So let's dive straight into the video. Number 15. ATV 14 Sports Swim Spa. The ATV 14 Sports Swim Spa redefines the concept of aquatic fitness and relaxation, combining the invigorating experience of swimming against a current with the luxurious comfort of a spa. More than just a swim spa, it's a comprehensive wellness solution that caters to fitness enthusiasts, relaxation seekers, and those looking to enhance their overall well-being. Number 14. Pergola Solid. Introducing the Pergola Solid, where elegance meets functionality in a perfect symphony of design and durability. This architectural masterpiece redefines outdoor living, seamlessly blending beauty with robust construction to create a haven that stands the test of time. Crafted with precision and passion, the Pergola Solid is not just a structure, it's a statement. Picture this: a sun-dappled afternoon, a gentle breeze playing with the tendrils of climbing vines that adorn the sturdy framework. Number 13. Scope Dome. Immerse yourself in the limitless possibilities of exploration as Scope Dome opens a portal to the celestial wonders. Crafted with precision and innovation, the domes provide a shelter for your telescope, shielding it from the elements while offering a panoramic view of the universe. Number 12. Doing Light Tunnel Solar. Imagine a world where your outdoor spaces are bathed in a gentle, eco-friendly glow, all thanks to the Doing Light Tunnel Solar. Designed with a commitment to both aesthetics and functionality, this solar tunnel seamlessly integrates into any environment, whether it's illuminating pathways, enhancing landscapes, or creating a captivating ambience for outdoor events. Number 11. Aerative Pool. The Aerative Pool is designed with a blend of modern elegance and timeless appeal. Its sleek lines, top-notch craftsmanship, and high-quality materials make it a stunning centerpiece that captivates the eye and enhances the overall ambience of your environment. Number 10. Sempergreen. Step into the evergreen embrace of nature with Sempergreen, a name synonymous with sustainable landscaping solutions that bring life and lushness to your surroundings. Sempergreen doesn't just provide greenery, it offers a vision of enduring beauty, seamlessly blending nature with modern design for a greener, healthier, and more vibrant world. Number 9. Bathroom Fan Roof Vent. Introducing the Bathroom Fan Roof Vent, a pinnacle of ventilation efficiency that combines functionality with sleek design to elevate your bathroom experience. Say farewell to excess moisture, unpleasant odors, and stagnant air, as this roof vent ensures a breath of fresh air every time you step into your sanctuary. Number 8. Wildfire Rooftop Sprinklers. Introducing Wildfire Rooftop Sprinklers, your first line of defense against the unpredictable fury of wildfires. In the face of increasing threats from nature's most formidable force, these innovative sprinklers stand as guardians, providing a proactive and effective solution to protect your home, property, and loved ones. Number 7. Solar Water Heater. Embrace the power of the sun with our state-of-the-art solar water heater, a groundbreaking solution that not only harnesses the abundant energy of sunlight, but also revolutionizes the way you experience hot water in your home. Solar Water Heater is designed to maximize energy capture, converting sunlight into a continuous and reliable source of hot water. Number 6. Aquarius Blinds. Aquarius blinds are crafted with an emphasis on contemporary design and tailored precision. Our extensive collection includes a variety of styles, materials, and colors, allowing you to personalize your space with blinds that seamlessly integrate into any decor, from classic to modern. Number 5. Polypied Smart Roof. Enter the future of roofing solutions with Polypied Smart Roof, an innovative and intelligent system that redefines how we manage rainwater, drainage, and environmental control in buildings. Polypied Smart Roof combines cutting-edge technology with sustainable design to create a roof system that adapts to the needs of modern construction and smart living. Number 4. Flex Step. Flex Step transitions effortlessly between being a staircase and an inclined platform lift. Users can navigate the stairs like a conventional staircase when the lift is not in use. When needed, the unit transforms into a reliable lift, providing a smooth and secure transition between different levels. Number 3. Raindrop Gutter Guard. Say goodbye to gutter hassles and hello to the revolutionary Raindrop Gutter Guard, your guardian against debris, leaves, and gutter-related headaches. Raindrop Gutter Guard boasts a cutting-edge design that combines functionality with aesthetics. Its unique high-performance filter system allows water to effortlessly flow through while keeping leaves, pine needles, and other debris out. Number 2. Autospout. Autospout for roofs is not your typical gutter system. It's a smart, automated solution that adapts to changing weather conditions. Say goodbye to manual adjustments and hello to a gutter system that intuitively manages rainwater flow, preventing clogs and maintaining optimal functionality. Number 1. Outdoor living. Outdoor living turns your roof into a stunning oasis, blending the comfort of indoor living with the refreshing ambience of the outdoors. Whether you're looking to create a rooftop garden, a cozy lounge area, or an entertainment space, our solutions are designed to cater to your unique lifestyle needs. Outdoor living modular designs allow you to customize your rooftop space based on your preferences and activities. That's going to be all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos like this.